welcome to Daily Exam Preparation channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic. Question: which of the following is the highest wartime gallantry award in India? Answer A. Param Veer Chakra. Question: the Ashoka Chakra is awarded for acts of bravery in which of the following conditions? Answer B. Peacetime. Question: the Param Vishisht Seva Medal is awarded for excellence in which field? Answer B. Distinguished Service of the Highest Order. Question: the Shaurya Chakra award is given for which type of bravery? Answer B. Bravery in peacetime. Question: who was the first recipient of the Param Veer Chakra? Answer A. Major Somnath Sharma. Question: which Indian award is equivalent to the British Victoria Cross? Answer B. Param Veer Chakra. Question: the Veer Chakra is awarded for what kind of service? Answer B. Acts of gallantry in the presence of the enemy. Question: which of the following awards is not a gallantry award? Answer C. Vishisht Seva Medal. Question: the Sena Medal is awarded to which branch of the Indian Armed Forces? Answer C. Indian Army. Question: which medal is awarded to civilians for bravery or self-sacrifice? Answer C. Ashoka Chakra. Question: which of the following is the peacetime equivalent of the Param Veer Chakra? Answer A. Ashoka Chakra. Question: the Vishisht Seva Medal is awarded for which type of service? Answer A. Distinguished Service of a High Order. Question: the President of India awards which medal for distinguished service in the Indian Navy? Answer A. Nav Sena Medal. Question: which of the following awards is specifically given for distinguished service in the Indian Air Force? Answer A. Vayu Sena Medal. Question: the Mahavir Chakra is awarded for what kind of gallantry? Answer B. Second highest wartime gallantry. Question: the Kirti Chakra award is given for? Answer B. Bravery in peacetime. Question: the Param Vishisht Seva Medal is awarded by which authority? Answer C. President of India. Question: who among the following can be awarded the Ashoka Chakra? Answer C. Military personnel and civilians. Question: the Vayu Sena Medal is awarded for? Answer A. Bravery or distinguished service in the Indian Air Force. Question: which award is given for acts of conspicuous gallantry during war but is lower than Param Veer Chakra? Answer A. Veer Chakra. Question: the Sena Medal can be awarded for? Answer A. Gallantry or distinguished service. Question. Which gallantry award was instituted first among the following? Answer A. Param Veer Chakra. Question. The Ashoka Chakra award was instituted in which year? Answer B. 1952. Question. The President's Police Medal is awarded for? Answer A. Bravery and distinguished service in police forces. Question. Which of the following is the highest peacetime gallantry award in India? Answer B. Ashoka Chakra. Question. The Mahavir Chakra was awarded in which of the following wars? Answer D. All of the above. Question. The award given for distinguished service of an exceptional order in the armed forces is? Answer A. Param Vishisht Seva Medal. Question. The Vayu Sena Medal is awarded by? Answer B. President of India. Question. The Param Veer Chakra was established on? Answer C. 26th January 1949. Question. Which of the following awards is given for distinguished service during peacetime? Answer B. Param Vishisht Seva Medal. Thanks for watching. Comment your score. If any suggestions, comment below. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.